Hello, my name is Dr. Harcsztark. I'm a cosmetic dentist from New Jersey, and I decided to take this medical program here by Empire Training, where Cheryl Whitman was the guest speaker, talked about marketing, medical aesthetic offices. And since I currently do Botox and fillers and neurotoxins and facial cosmetics, I wanted to hear exactly what was going on because I've heard about Cheryl Whitman. She's really, really good. Wrote this fantastic book, beautifully profitable. If she wrote such a great book, I wanted to hear what she's like in person, and I did. It could have been done for hours and hours and hours. That's how many questions, that's how much we learned. She was absolutely fantastic. So I want to give her all of my highest accolades and biggest credits that if you listen to her, what she has to say, you follow her instructions, you go to her website, beautifulforever.com, and hire the company, you can't go wrong. They really know what they're talking about. And it works for the dental practice too. And I've had my practice for 40 years, and everything she's saying, by far and away, works.